Hello, hello. I want to show you guys how to just use this program real quick. So here's the idea. This is substitution, just like we were doing yesterday, except for it's on the computer and it'll check your work for you. It's pretty simple. These are the things that we're substituting in. S is 5, B is 4, T is 5, N is 5. So that's pretty easy. Most of them are 5. Anyway, yours will be different numbers. So it says t plus 2, so I go, 5 is t plus 2, that makes 7, pretty easy. This is where it gets weird. That little symbol is actually an S. It took me a bit to realize that. So this S is the same as this little s here, so 5 plus b is really 5 plus 4, which makes 9. And then you keep cruising, b and n, b plus n is also 9. T minus s, that is 5 minus 5 is 0. T plus b plus s. T is 5, plus b is 9, plus s is 14. T plus n minus l is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm sorry, that's not an L, that is a 1. So the answer here is 9. And you continue on. Remember that this little symbol here is an S. So you continue on, you get them all right, you hit check, and I got them all right, and then I can keep going. If I got one of them wrong, let's say that I got one wrong, oh, that's wrong, I can go back and try to fix it. And so here I get S is 5 again, B is 4, which makes 9, T is 5, that makes 14. So 50 minus 14 is 36. And then I can hit check again and I get it right. What I want you to do is get as many of these right, and the highest level you get to, and still getting them correct, is the one I'd like you to take a screenshot of and email it to me. Take a screenshot of it and email it to me. Thank you very much.